Older and newer model black Honda. 10 out. Older and newer model black Honda.
In broad daylight, a single argument exploded into gunfire. Windows shattered, blood on the seats, and 4 people suddenly facing the barrel of a gun. This is the chilling story of how a disagreement turned deadly, and the terrifying seconds that followed. Before we dive in, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss updates on real-life crime stories like this one. It was June 16, 2020, just before noon, in Macon, Georgia. Deputies were called to a shooting. When they arrived, the main witness, Melil Dree Wilson, had already fled the scene, but she was shaken, desperate to explain what happened.
Madrika, the sheriff is here.
Did you call?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, I'm sorry.
Did you get shot?
I got shot right here. Well, I got braided, not really shot.
Okay. 4C21 dispatch.
21.
Which way did he go?
It's a girl. Her
It's
name
a girl?
Alexis Stark.
Alexis Stark. 10-4, the suspect can be Alexis Stark. What kind of vehicle?
It was a black Toyota. She drive a black Toyota car. I think it's a
Camry?
Camry.
Is it like my car?
Do you know which way she was
it's
going?
black.
She didn't get shot here. I would pick her up.
310 and 309.
Do I know?
She was at her apartment. I went and got her.
Did it happen here?
No.
Oh, so this happened.
At her
It happened
apartment.
at my house, and
Yes.
I was scared, and she came and got me.
Okay. So you got, let me see. He just got grazed?
In the car that I was
So
by
then I
had,
could,
It didn't go all the way in?
I cooked
Okay.
breakfast.
Okay. So, what happened?
Okay, so this morning,
Is this your actual address right here?
yes, that's
Okay.
my address, that's why I stayed. Okay, this morning, she had wrote a status about me on Facebook. My friend had screenshotted to me. So I texted her, I was like, why you keep, this not her first time stalking me or threatening me or none of that. So, I texted her, I was like, why you keep talking about me on Facebook or whatever like that. And then she was like, something about my baby daddy, something about my baby daddy or whatever like that. And so she was like,
This a girlfriend or a friend?
This his girlfriend. This is my baby daddy girlfriend.
Your baby daddy's girlfriend?
Yeah, right.
Okay.
And so,
147, 461, give me a call.
shut up before I come to your house and shoot your house up or whatever like that. We on the phone, she was like, before I come to your house and shoot your house up or whatever. But I never text her back because she always threatened me. She forever, she always threatened me, like, what she gonna do to me. Her and my baby daddy jumped on me at Walmart a couple of months ago. Or whatever. So I was leaving out the man house that I work for, but that stay by my house. And when I was leaving out the house, I seen her, and when she seen me, she just started shooting, and I ran. And that happened.
Say that again now?
Like, when she seen me, she came to my house, she was like, shut up. Like, we was on the phone, she was like, shut up before I come to your house and shoot your house up. And when I was leaving out the man house that I work for, I seen her, and when she seen me, she just started shooting.
Okay. So what apartment was your friend at?
The man that I work for, he stayed in L11. I stay
L11?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, sir. And I stay in M6.
309.
Hey, how you doing? What is it?
Hey.
I just got graded.
You just got graded? Okay.
51, 5032, acknowledge on channel 4. 51, 5032, acknowledge on channel 4.
Do you want to go to the hospital or anything? No.
Yes, sir.
Who is that to you?
147,
Your godmom? She picked you up?
Yes, sir.
As Wilson walked to her car, Tharp got out of her vehicle and began shooting, aiming directly at her. Wilson ran, not only for herself, but for her child. She made it back to her apartment and called for help, refusing to go to the hospital despite being grazed by a bullet on her chest and arm.
Older and newer model black Honda. 10 out. Older and newer model black Honda. I'm not for sure. Dispatch, this is a old and newer Honda that we're looking for.
It's not a Honda, it's a black Toyota Camry.
So this is just.
Is it an older or newer model black?
Looking for black Toyota Camry.
Huh?
It's an older model.
It, like faded paint?
Yeah, it got, I think, the top of the hood faded or something like that, or the
Okay.
side of the door faded.
It's got faded paint on the hood and on the side of the doors. Older model black Toyota Camry.
She live over there.
Like I said, if you get us again, call us back.
Okay. Thank you.
All right. So was she in the car when she shot, or was she outside the car?
She was outside the car. When she seen me, she got out the car.
Okay, she got out of the car and started shooting. Like walking towards you, or she was just shooting?
No, she was walking towards me. When she seen me, she got out the car and started walking towards me.
Okay. All right. So why is she trying to shoot you?
Huh?
Why is she trying to shoot you?
She always threatened me. She got her first time threatening me.
Because is she with your baby daddy now?
She with him now.
If she could be anywhere, where would she be at now?
Home, probably.
On Antioch?
Investigators quickly discovered more victims. Exo Lewis and Kisha Poole were sitting in a car nearby, a 2001 Nissan Altima, completely uninvolved, yet caught in the crossfire. Shots had been fired from a Glock 43. 4 people were injured or endangered in seconds.
Tell me what really happened. Be completely honest. I'm the one you need to talk to. All right. Tell me what really happened.
A girl came over here. You know, I come with my cousin. I had to help him out and stuff.
Okay.
She asked for a ride.
Was she already here when y'all got here, or
Yeah, she was already here when we got here.
what's the girl name that was already here? Was she already inside the house talking to him, or was she outside?
I think it's Cheryl. I think it's Cheryl. Cheryl, damn, what that name is? Cheryl something.
Yeah, and then I just told her,
she
I
hollered at
told
me
her where she
sometime.
needed to go, and man, they shot at my car.
How she give you directions? Did you put the direction in your phone, or she just told you how to get there?
She actually had like a address and all that.
Did she put it in her phone, or
She had it in her phone.
or she told you how to get there?
Yeah, she was directing me there. Like, directing me there. So,
You ever met this girl before?
I seen her a couple times.
How'd she get inside your house?
No, I was in my bed.
Okay. And she just came in?
We were getting ready to haul ass.
yeah, see,
We was already in the car. I had put him in the car.
So all y'all was already here, and she came walking up, or
No, we was piling the car to take him.
okay,
she was already out here. She stayed out here.
right? She was already out here staying out here.
Yeah.
She saw y'all about to get into the car,
I know she be up here.
Yeah.
and then what happened?
She asked for
And
a
she
ride.
asked for a ride.
Okay, was you in the car when this happened, or
He was in the front seat.
I was in the pencil seat, holding my dog.
okay? So y'all went over there. Where was she at? Where was she sitting at in the car?
In the back.
In the back seat.
Behind the driver or the passenger?
She was behind me.
She's behind you. Okay. So y'all get over there. Then what happened?
And the bitch, some bitch started shooting.
Pop out up.
And she started yelling at the one at the bitch, and the bitch started shooting. And the other girl had the camera. And
Well, the girl that was shooting had the camera, or the girl inside the car?
The girl that was next to the bitch was shooting and had the camera. Like, I'm a camera, everything. And then the bitch who had the gun, she was like, yeah, in front of the camera. They just trying to video this and blah, blah, blah. And
So where'd y'all put her out at?
We put the bitch back out here.
So after the shooting happened over there, y'all drove back over here with her inside the car.
Yeah, and I had to wash my hand out bloody all over.
I just found out. Now, look, my gun went off in the house. I saw it.
So what now? How did she look?
My wife, she was acting stupid. You know how it was an automatic, so when she grabbed it, it just went off.
Like kind of pretty eyes.
And so when I didn't know if she was dead or not, I was just like, I'm taking my gun back to the house to Howard's pawn shop.
So to make sure y'all got this right. Y'all was about to go take him to the vet to get the dog trimmed or whatever. So she walks up to y'all and say, "Hey, give me a ride." And y'all,
She got gas money.
and she has gas money. So she pays for y'all to give her a ride. She's got the address inside of her phone and telling you how to get there. So y'all go over there off of Antioch Road.
Yep.
Y'all get on Antioch Road, whatever address it was.
Yeah.
When y'all pull up, what happens?
The GPS said we're here, and then some girl said, somebody come out the door and said, who you looking for? Who you looking for? Who you looking for? And they, I just heard shots.
So the girl that got shot.
The girl in the car, did she get shot?
Then nobody, I the only got shot.
I don't think nobody got shot.
This the only thing that happened.
Ain't nothing wrong with it.
So how many of y'all was in your car?
It was just
Four.
Four. It was him.
Detectives documented the damage, bullet holes, shattered windows, and trajectories indicating where the shots came from. Evidence pointed to Tharp and her vehicle. Authorities moved quickly, following leads and witness statements.
Oh, it came through that way?
It bust that window. The evidence over there now.
Came in through that window. Came through? At an angle?
He said she got sprayed by the bullet, but she couldn't get sprayed by the bullet. That gotta be probably flag or something.
It's phase 424, 833, 91, Antioch Heights. Acknowledge on channel 2 in reference to a signal 54.
They're over there.
Everybody's over there.
They already over there.
Huh?
She had the gun on her.
Yeah.
Yeah, this have a Madriga porter over here. So Madriga got this agent. Funny, right? Yes, for no reason. Madriga was trespassing and Madriga pulled over a big old dog, like a big old like canine type dog, and four other people talking about trying to hurt her. For what? And how do you get a lesson number? I mean, how you get that's what I'm saying.
Were you here when this happened?
Man, tell her don't worry about it. Hang up the phone.
It's okay. I just let you know what's going on. You ain't got to, but
Tell her, just to tell Jamarcus what happened whenever Jamarcus called her.
whenever Jamarcus
So all of the officers standing over there in P-Home, nobody would come over here?
Nobody scanning.
Nobody doing nothing.
No, only one that's over there is
But nobody.
10.
I got on the radio and said anybody scanning.
I'm on
Yeah,
somebody
come
too.
from another-
Yeah.
I'm like,
I wasn't scanning
Durban,
either. I was on 4. Yeah, Durban had class. He went to class.
Devil
So-
Gray.
Well, she's on her way over here.
Somebody just shot past the
Hey, when I asked if anybody was scanning, did
You
they
got
get
out.
out over the radio?
He got out.
Hey,
I didn't hear. She's the one who had the gun on her. She did? Okay.
Y'all heard it on the radio?
Yeah.
Yeah, I heard, yeah. You got out. I even heard when you swapped over.
Don't detain her. Just get her out the car and scan her back in. Step out. How old are you?
What's up, man?
How old are you?
We just came over here a couple weeks ago with you and your boyfriend.
Yeah, and his baby mom came over here trying to fight me with several other people.
So the dark skinned girl, this is baby mama.
And she
Okay.
came to my city.
Listen, because you're not responding to me. You're not telling me how old you are.
Y'all think this some kind of game or something? Y'all think this some kind of game?
404 to the unit headed to Antioch. Heard Captain Jones, slow it down.
He pulled up, I'm asking him what's going on. He saying put my hands
406 is clear.
He told me to do, I ain't restrained.
I'm not
so how
saying
do I
you
think
didn't
it's a
cooperate.
game?
I'm talking about her. She think this is a game. Obviously she do. And then you could have told me I got my gun right here beside me in my pocket. I mean, that would have been so easy. I got my gun right here, officer. People shooting each other.
And obviously, your window got shot out.
No,
Or busted out or whatever.
With his hand. That was like
Who did?
Nobody.
I need a handcuff, Keita. My car, I don't have a jumper.
I ain't got it.
We're not extra, but we are responsible for enforcing the laws. We can't be playing around.
I know, but I'm gonna sit down right there.
No, you don't have to sit down right there.
You can sit in the back of the car. What's up, man? Everything's good with you?
Marcus busted my window out.
Wait.
My boyfriend, he knows already. He's
Wait. We need to bust it out. We need to bust it out.
It was before that y'all came.
Okay.
The officer already noted it. It's already
Is that
in the
other
police-
guy without is that
it's in
guy?
the
No.
police
I think
report.
he's in jail. We chased him a couple weeks ago over in Pendleton Homes.
Is Robbie the one that called you for the 54?
Yes. So, what happened?
She called me early this morning.
Who did? Who's her?
Madriga was.
Later, police located 21-year-old Alexis Destiny Tharp. She was taken into custody without incident. Tharp was charged with multiple counts of aggravated assault, criminal damage to property, and held on a $17,000 bond. What began as a heated argument over a personal relationship escalated into a terrifying daylight shooting. 4 lives were put at risk in mere seconds. Always de-escalate conflicts. Never underestimate threats, even if they start online. Witnesses play a crucial role in holding perpetrators accountable. If you want to stay updated on real-life crime stories, hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications. Your support helps bring these stories to light and ensures justice isn't forgotten. From social media posts to bullets on the street, this incident shows how quickly violence can erupt, and how important it is to stay aware, stay safe, and report threats. 4 people survived a terrifying encounter that could have ended far worse, but the story serves as a warning for everyone: words have power, and actions have consequences. Thanks for watching. Share your thoughts in the comments below and let us know how you think this situation could have been avoided. Stay alert, stay informed, and we'll see you in the next case.